In this video, we are going to discuss trigonometry up to transformations. Question is, if A, B, C are angles in a triangle, then prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal to -1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C. So in the solution, here what is given? ABC are angles in a triangle. So given that sum of the angles is equal to sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. From this we can write, so A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, and also we can write from the same condition C is equal to 180 degrees minus of A plus B is also we can write. From this C is equal to 180 minus of A plus B is also we can write. Now what I am doing is taking LHS here. So what is LHS? Left hand side, given cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. This is I am taking. Here, considering first two terms, cos 2A plus cos 2B, it is in the form of one of the properties. So that is we have here, so like cos C plus cos D. We have one formula, cos C plus cos D is equal to, so 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. Now what is C here? C is 2A clearly, and 2A is C and 2B is D. So operating this formula for these two terms, we get here 2 cos C plus D by 2 means 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos, so C minus D by 2 means 2A minus 2B by 2 and plus cos 2C. Now here in the numerator, if you take 2 common, so then numerator and denominator 2 gets cancelled. We get 2 cos of A plus B. And similarly here also, if we take in the numerator 2 common, so 2 gets cancelled in the numerator and denominator. We get cos of A minus B and plus cos 2 as it is writing third term. See, observe here we have A plus B, and here we have A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Now this is 2 cos, so A plus B is replaced by 180 degrees minus C into cos of A minus B, and here plus cos 2C is writing as it is. So now here, so 2 cos 180 minus C, it is like cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta means it is belongs to the second quadrant. 180 minus means, so in the second quadrant cos is negative. One trigonometric ratio will not change. So that's why this is minus cos theta we get. So here like cos 180 minus theta, we have here cos 180 minus C. So that's why, so this is we get, so minus cos theta means here theta is nothing but C. So we get minus cos C into cos of A minus B into cos of A minus B and plus cos 2C is writing as it is. Now what I am doing is here, so from this I am continuing here. So this is so again continuing the problem here. So cos of 2 into cos of minus C we have here. So here we have 2 into minus cos c. So that is what I am writing is here. So minus 2 cos c. This can be written as minus 2 cos c minus 2 cos c, which is equal to minus 2 cos c, continuation of the problem, into cos of a minus b, into cos of a minus b, and plus cos 2c is writing as it is. Cos 2c is writing as it is. Now here, which is equal to minus 2 cos c, so into cos of a minus b, and here now coming to the third term, so which is like cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos, here we have cos only, so that's why this is writing as 2 cos square theta minus 1. We have the one of the formula, so that's why cos 2c is also can be written as 2 cos square c in terms of c, so minus 1. Now here observe these two terms. So in these two terms, which is the common? Clearly 2 cos c is common, but I am taking minus also common. So minus 2 cos c into here cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b, and I have taken minus common here. Already we have plus, so we get minus. Why? Because this minus into minus is plus only. So here already I have taken 2 cos c common. So 1 cos c is left over, and last this minus 1 is writing as it is. See, already this is equal to minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus, here already I told you in the beginning, c can be written as 180 degrees minus of a plus b. So that's why here this cos of c is also writing, this angle c is also can be written as 180 minus of a plus b, 180 minus of a plus b. This is cos of 180 minus of a plus b, close the bracket, and last term is minus 1, writing as it is. Now it is equal to here minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b, and here I already told you in the beginning cos of 180 minus theta, which is equal to minus cos theta. So that's why here also now theta is a plus b here, cos of 180 minus theta. So the theta is a plus b, so which can be written as here this is minus cos theta. So that's why this is minus cos of theta is nothing but a plus b. So that's why minus cos of a plus b, and this minus 1 is writing as it is. Using this property, this cos of 180 minus a plus b becomes minus cos of a plus b. So now which is equal to minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, and here minus into minus becomes plus. So this is also cos of a plus b. So and this minus 1 is writing as it is. So now here we have one of the formulae. So that is like cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Here cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b, we have the formula. So this is which is equal to cos of a minus b and plus cos of a plus b is equal to, we have 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a into cos b. So that's why which is equal to minus 2 cos c into, so this entire thing we can written as so 2 cos a into cos b. So and finally at last this minus 1 is writing as it is. Now what do we get? See here minus 2 into 2 is 4 cos A into cos B, so into cos C minus 1, which is also can be written as minus 1, and this term is writing it as second term, minus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. So observe here, so in the problem also we have a, so right hand side minus 1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C, so which is equal to RHS. So like this we can prove, so therefore LHS is equal to RHS.